TU Delft voor een demonstratie van een mogelijke vorm van vrije energie. We hebben een aantal mensen hier zo die allemaal nieuwsgierig zijn en die willen allemaal het wonder wel eens aanschouwen. Is het niet zo?
Okay. Zet maar weer op nulpunt.
Ja, die staat mooi op het plaatje hoor. Allemaal mensen, techneuten en idealisten.
May I ask you, who are you? Your name?
Yildiz. Yildiz, Muammer Yildiz.
Okay. And you are the inventor of this machine?
Yes.
And you are?
I'm his legal advisor, the close friend. We are close friends, and I'm
very important. And you are?
I am Dick Korf, and I'm also busy with new energy, 0-point energy, free energy.
Okay.
So this is my car.
You are looking for free energy for a long time, I think.
Yes.
You found it today, I
found already, but this is an extra.
Okay, bye bye.
I'm very curious.
En dit is dan het wonder wat waarschijnlijk een wereldrevolutie zou kunnen gaan betekenen.
We are waiting for...
Well, I told the students that they could be here at 5:15, so maybe just 4 more minutes. If they're not here, then we will start. And well, I take this opportunity to thank everybody for being here, and especially Mr. Yildiz. Welcome.
Your name is?
My name is Koen Vermeeren. I'm from Delft University, and I'm just the organizer of this meeting. I met some of you guys already in the past, and I was quite enthusiastic about the phenomenon of energy from magnets. So that's the reason that I thought this opportunity, which is created by Jorge, is so interesting that in a very short notice we decided to keep this meeting here. And well, because it is a demonstration of an actually working machine, which is the most important thing that I think is the reason that you're all here. Let's start.
Okay.
I will give the floor to Jorge.
Good. Thank you very much. I'll say this. Before I start talking, I only dare to say when I ask the inventor to start the machine, because it goes together with the experiment. Then you hear it from me, okay? Moment, can you please start? Please pay attention how it's going to start this thing. Can you start it? Just start. Yes.
You'll see here a pump working, no doubt, I suppose. I want to measure, for now, the power in volts to move air through this cylinder. I put on the border, you have a mass with a certain speed, yes? When you calculate the power, you can calculate it from the wind speed, the surface, and the air density. There was a student was telling me, hey, I need someone easy with the Shots is het nog simpel? Heb je meegedaan? Ja,
it. But now the most nice part is to see what is inside. I have to make a little bit show, you know what. How long do you want to wait for it? 10 minutes more before he starts opening?
Yes, about 10 minutes.
You say it.
I see no electrical cable. I see no power input.
Oh yes. Well, take a look inside yourself, okay?
There is no
Pinto.
power input.
There, take one.
Nou, ik denk op dit moment nog niks. Als ik het laatste stukje niet gezien heb, dan denk ik helemaal niks. Maar we hebben wel een vermoeden hoe het werkt. Ik bedoel, het laatste stukje, daar zit het geheim van de smid. En als je dat niet heeft laten zien, dan weten we eigenlijk nog niks 100% zeker. Maar we zijn wel aan 95% zekerheid aangeland.
Yes, no, Jim, that's normal. But again, the next one. From there,
Kabloyu sökecek misin? Yaptım ben zaten şöyle. Bir tane daha var. Orada 2 tane daha var. Ona da çıkacak mı?
Yes. Then you turn around the moment that they make a picture of it from this inside the cage. Sure. March, kijk het binnen. Kijk maar daar binnen de koma. The next one up here, not up. Iron there, huh? Attention, huh? The photograph. What is now closed, it will be once patented or not, depend on who is going to proceed with this. But now think where he put the battery inside. Yeah? Just think how he made it. Yeah? It's up to you. For me, it's no matter.
Nee, jongens, ik vind het applausje waard.
Okay, then that is our demonstration. We are here today not for a lecture whatsoever. One day we'll be back. But especially the students, there is a lot of space for creativity. Yeah? It's not finished. Yeah? It's not finished.
You need an hour to put it inside again.
Yeah, he's going to work on it to put it again. But now you look around the touch and for a while. The tables are there, but otherwise will be a problem. Sorry for that. Yes, but it's good in so many people. We did the same in Saturday in Germany with 3 professors from physics. They were, of course, very enthusiastic. But it was a small group, they could do it their way and so on. But then it's a repetition. It's just showing these things.
Ist einfach. Light. Aber die Magneten.
Murat, %30 çalışıyor.
When we would not have topology.
Kapasite.
Okay. Maar kent u niet, want je kan allemaal zeggen. Zeker met machine, dat moet met de hogere mond zijn.
Your machine is put together again. Die nemen ze op de hoek.